Hi guys, I'm Shalmali Chatterjee and I would like to share my experience of being vaccinated with COVID Shield in this second wave of COVID-19. So like when the registration for the age group of 18 to 44 started, like getting registered was, initially it was difficult. Obviously we were not getting the OTT, not OTT, OTPs, and the site was not working, it broke down, server was down, lot of problems were there. But obviously we got registered. I got registered that day itself. I don't know about others, but I heard lot of people got registered. So then, came the chance of booking slot. The moment the booking opened, like it was like fully booked. Whichever places they were, getting vaccinated for COVID-19, most of the places the slots were fully booked. I don't know how. Be it Cowin, be it Telegram, I had set up notifications of all those places, everywhere. But obviously I was not able to book a slot for myself. The slots I was able, was getting was like, it was impossible to reach. Like, I got a slot at 2:30 p.m. That the same day I had to go to Suraksha, New Barakpur at, the slot was from 3 to 6 p.m. And I don't know the location of that place. I have to find that place. Plus, going from my house to that place, I don't know how it would be possible because obviously lockdown is going on. So, going by, like I would get a cab or not, things would be a very haphazard manner. But luckily, after this incident, I got a learning or a lesson that, when a thing is going to happen, it will obviously happen. Plus, when you lose all hope, suddenly God opens a window out of nowhere and the thing happens. So last week or maybe the week before, we had submitted our names in the association room, the place where I live in. So we were not sure that if a camp would be organized or what, we have to go somewhere, I don't know. I did not have any idea what is going to happen in this situation, like when I will get vaccinated. Even I inquired from Surat to a nearby center near my house, but they said that we have to do it online. It is not possible that I get it later or something like that. Like walk-in registration or something like this. It's not possible. They said it's going to happen online. You have to do it online, and online slots were not available. It's like they were charging very high price for that, and sometimes obviously it's not possible for everybody to pay so much for a vaccine in like double doses. There were places where they were charging 1,000 rupees per dose, or maybe 2,000 or 1,200 or 1,250. Like many places were charging. It's not possible for everybody to pay so much money for a vaccine dose. Many people were saying that so much money, sorry, it's not possible. I have heard a lot of people say that. And obviously vaccine slots were like getting like over 2 days. It's like hell. Like I was searching from the morning to the night, there were no slots. Like I was sitting continuously in front of the laptop searching for slots. No, they were not there. Then luckily, obviously the chance came. We got a call from North Damdam Municipality Hospital to get vaccinated on Wednesday. This Wednesday which passed. So obvious at 12:30 p.m. At 12:30 p.m. I got my slot. So obviously at 12, it's like nearby my house. So walking distance. So I went there at 12 a.m. So there was a long queue for getting registered. Like in that place. So after the registration happened, the vaccination was very quick. Like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And then we had to wait for some time, for 10 minutes, not 10-15 minutes they gave us the waiting time, because if they make us wait for the half an hour, then it would take a bit difficult, because that day there were many people, so it was a crowd. So it was very difficult to give a lot of time for the observation thing. They gave, I guess, 10-15 minutes. They said that you're not feeling anything discomfortable, so please go. I mean, like, it's okay, you're feeling okay, then you can leave, it's okay. So, but still, I waited outside for some time, then I came back home. But after coming back home, it was like normal. I said like, okay, I guess I won't have anything, it's normal. But from the evening, things started changing. I had pain in my hand. Even now, I have that pain. I have pain in my hand. I started having body aches, headaches, stomach ache, vomiting tendency. Then I ate that paracetamol because they said that if you have any discomfort, you eat paracetamol, things would be alright. So I ate paracetamol at that time. It was evening, I think 6 or 7. But obviously, I was feeling discomfort, so I cancelled all my appointments. Whatever I had clients, I had cancelled them because it's not possible for me to talk to them. Obviously, because my work is to talk. Like obviously, I'm a counselor, so it's my duty to talk to them. So it was not possible for me to continue for a long time. So then obviously, I said, please excuse me. So after that, I ate my dinner. I slept early. But suddenly at midnight, I started having fever. I was having chills. I had fever almost 102 degrees. And I had lot of body ache, my stomach. It was like muscle pain. I don't know what was happening. I was feeling like I was having COVID because, the symptoms are similar to COVID. So I had the same symptoms when I had COVID because I myself being a COVID survivor last year. So I feel like the symptoms are similar to I am suffering from COVID. Like I went to there were no social distancing norms there. So I felt I am suffering from COVID. I got COVID so early that the symptoms started showing up. What is going to happen? But then I took paracetamol and I slept okay. But then next day I called my uncle who is a doctor. He said that obviously this is a normal thing. This will happen. This is basically helping your body to build the immunity to fight with future infections. So basically in this situation you take 3 paracetamols per day, like 6 hours difference, and you keep your body hydrated. The more water you drink or more ORS or maybe coconut water, whatever liquid you drink, the more your body performs better way to these side effects and you will feel better. So I followed those instructions and obviously it took me at least 2 days to come out of it. I had a lot of weakness and till yesterday it was like I don't want to get up from the bed. Let me sleep. I don't want to get up. It was like that. But today I'm feeling much better and obviously things have been better and still there's a bit of pain in the hand, nothing more. No other symptoms are there. And lastly, I just want to say that obviously people will face the side effects because those who have been vaccinated with me, they too face the same things. But please, I just request you all to please get vaccinated because if we have to fight this disease or throw this disease out of our lives, please get vaccinated because until and unless everyone is vaccinated, this disease won't go away. So please get vaccinated. And lastly, many of you have got your first dose, but that does not give you the right to roam freely and go outside and do parties and everything. No. As you have seen in your certificate, it is, written very clearly that you are partially vaccinated. So please follow that. Stay at home, stay safe. Do not become a hero that you have taken a vaccine. That means you are free to do everything. No. Remember that COVID can attack you still. You need those 15 days after the vaccination to build your immunity. I have seen people getting this COVID vaccine, COVID-19 disease even after being vaccinated twice or even once. People are getting COVID-19. Many people have died after this vaccination too. But maybe they had some comorbidities or it's not because of the vaccination. There are situations people are getting vaccines. Obviously, this is the only solution to get vaccinated because if you don't get vaccinated, then how will you fight the disease? Because that's the only solution. We don't have medicines for that, right? So vaccines are the only solutions. And I would request all of you to please don't spread rumors regarding these vaccinations that after vaccination, after 2 years, you are going to die, or during periods, if you take vaccination, your fertility will be over, or during periods, your immunity is, before, after immunity is weak. No. Periods and immunity has no connection. As a woman, and I have been, have that thing, so I can understand that what affects my immunity and what does not. Periods does never affect your immunity. So please understand that thing. Please do not spread, unnecessary rumors and spread panic on this social media university. Everybody is in a state of anxiety, panic, depression. Please don't increase it. You don't know what impact these messages have on other people. So please don't do that. Please stay safe. Please get vaccinated. Please. Please follow the rules. And even after getting vaccinated, please don't roam around without mask, because we have seen a lot of people without masks now also. Even in this situation, when we see people getting death, I mean, like people are dying, whatever, we have seen, I have seen personally people roaming outside without mask. I don't know how. मतलब कहाँ से आती है यार, इतनी शक्ति कहाँ से आती है, मतलब क्या हो तुम, मतलब how could you like, I know people, we are feeling hot and everything, it's like very humid in Calcutta, but why? Unnecessarily, why are you inviting trouble for yourself? Please wear the mask, use sanitizer, maintain social distancing, maintain all these even after getting vaccinated, because that rule does not go off. You have to follow that rule. But you have to get vaccinated as well. Please get vaccinated, and there's nothing to worry. It's not going to hurt a lot. So please get vaccinated, because that is very important. Unless that is happening, people are not going to, like things won't change. If you have to, do better in your life, go outside, lead a mask-free life, you have to get vaccinated. People there are a lot of, that I am scared of injections, but from your childhood to till date, you have received a lot of injections, right? Maybe tetanus, maybe other injections like booster doses we had in our childhood. You had done that. So what is the point? Why are you showing so much drama in getting an injection? It's just an injection. They won't hurt you a bit. It won't hurt. Trust me, I'm telling you, I have been vaccinated one time, it won't hurt. The side effects will be there, but it will go around after a day, like 1 day or 2 days. So don't worry. Things would be alright. So please get vaccinated. It's a request from my side that please follow the rules, get vaccinated. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.